Welcome to WebStylePress. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit bell icon. We link different several jQuery libraries in HTML. Consider this HTML. CSS files are in head section. At the end of document, we have jQuery at the top. Then other jQuery libraries or plugins, and then our custom.js file. This is bootstrap bundle, bootstrap file. You can call it jQuery plugin or jQuery library. And then at the end, we have got custom.js file with defer attribute. Custom.js has defer so that it may load at the end after everything is loaded at the page. I initialize plugins in custom.js. Also, our custom scripts are in custom.js. To start with, I have some useful functions in custom.js. This is my custom.js file. First of all, I have got a document ready function. It initializes when DOM is ready, document object model is ready. In this function, I am calling screenCheck function. I will come back to screenCheck function later. In document.ready, you can call functions, initialize sliders, and more. Then I have debounce function to delay some actions. It is being used in window resize function here. Window on resize, this debounce is being called. I am calling same screenCheck function on window resize with debounce. This is screenCheck, and this is a console.log. I am checking screen resize in document ready and in window resize. So this is window resize. ScreenCheck is being called here, and then screenCheck is also being called here. Document at document ready, because window resize can fire multiple times when you resize browser window. So I am delaying function calls inside window resize by using debounce. Let me show you what do I mean. Console. So look at this. I am resizing windows, but window resize function is not being fired. And when I will release it, only then window resize function will be fired. This is the benefit of debounce. 2, 3, 4. I want its behavior like this. Otherwise, window on resize function, window resize. Let me show you this one as well. Save. Now this is window on resize without debounce, and refresh, and then say this. I do not want it like this, so I am not using this. I am using debounce function with it. Save, refresh, and then say this. And when I will release it, then window resize function will be fired. So debounce is a good thing that you want to use with window on resize. You can also use debounce with window on scroll. So then we have window scroll function. If I need to fire a function to perform some DOM manipulation when window is being scrolled, I can use those inside this area. You can also use debounce with window scroll, as I have mentioned earlier. Then we've got window load. When everything gets loaded, then window on load gets fired once. If I need any function or action to fire, After everything is loaded at page, then I can use that here. So this is function screenCheck that is being used in document.ready and in window on resize. It will get fired when document is or DOM is ready or on the document.ready, and it will also get fired when window will be resized. So what's inside it? If agent ID or window.width is smaller than or is equal to 1024, then add class this one to body and remove this class and fire this function. Else remove this class, add this class and fire this function again. ScreenCheck function is being fired in document.ready and on window resize event. In this function, I am checking if window screen size or device size is less than or equal to 1024 or more. If it's less or equal to 1024, I am applying a class named as is-mobile at body tag and removing class not-mobile if present. In other case, I remove that class and applying another class named as not-mobile. Also, I'm unbinding event listeners and removing attributes if need be by calling another function. That is this unbind remove attribute, this function. But the contents are commented here. I can change these according to my need. Next, I have a function to apply classes if need be. I can call this function in document.ready above. Then I have few more functions and functionality is commented in those. If I need these functions, I can call these in document.ready or a screenCheck function. These functions are menu, hover toggle, slide toggle element, toggle slide, just toggle, show current year, and move to top. Their names are self-explanatory, right? And functionality is there, and I can call these functions as needed. Functions are being registered but not called right now. Then I have code from jQuery easing plugin. This is to use transitions in JavaScript if needed, like I have used easing out expo in move to top function. Then this is device.js plugin code that detects device screen and adds relevant classes in body tag. Helper classes in body help me to get target DOM elements with respect to device that is being used to visit this site. By using these classes, I can style elements according to device. You can use these two libraries or skip these. It's your choice. So this is my custom.js file, and I have shown you how I prepare useful functions and event listeners to use according to my need. Also notice how function names are self-explanatory and I am using camel case. And I do not create this file every time. I use Visual Studio Code snippets and I have snippet for it. Like I will just create a new document and I will use snip dash I have custom.js and this is the snippet and this is the file. Almost everything is same in here. So use Visual Studio Code snippets. I have a tutorial on that. I will share that in description below. So that's that. I hope this tutorial will help you to create helping functions for you to make your work easier. I will link to this file on GitHub and share it in description as well. Alright, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and press bell icon. Stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.